Well, hi, I'm Jay Arthur. You know, it is the New Year's, and so it's time for some New Year's resolutions. And here's some resolutions I'd like you to consider. First, go on a raw data diet. That means you need to know everything about each individual defect, mistake, error, and then you can summarize that. But if you start from summarized data, you don't know where the raw data is, and so most of the time you can't actually figure out what to fix without the raw data. So start from raw data, summarize it using pivot tables, use control charts, Pareto charts, histograms, fish bones. You know, that's another one of my recommendations for something to choose to do this year is to use the tools of quality. Control charts, Pareto charts, histograms, fish bones, value stream mapping, spaghetti diagramming. Right? Use the tools of quality. I see people trying to make do with line charts and bar charts and they're not winning. All right, so that's so far, right? Raw data, tools of quality. Number 3, start with the worst first. Go out and find the 4% of your business that's producing over half the mistakes, errors, waste, rework, lost profit, patient harm, whatever it is, that 4%. In the first quarter of this year, work on that 4%. Reduce the worst of all of those problems. Then in the next quarter, start on the next 4%. In the next quarter, 4 more percent. In the next quarter, 4 more percent. By the end of the year, you will have hit 16% of all the stuff that's really causing harm inside of your business and wasting money and profits. Now, one of the secrets is how cultures adopt and adapt change. If you get somewhere between 16 and 25% adoption, it'll spontaneously combust and sweep over the whole organization. So if you do 4%, 4%, 4%, 4%, and maybe next year do 4 more and 4 more. By the middle of next year, that's 18 months, you'll have slain most of the dragons that are facing your company. And you'll be massively more successful and profitable, which will make you more money, which will get you more customers, which will get you all kinds of things that you want, right? And in healthcare, this would reduce patient harm and mortality and all the other stuff that goes along with it. So that's something you can do. Pledge allegiance to the 4%, worst first, each quarter, until you get all of that stuff out of the way. There's still going to be more worst first, but you'll have gotten most of it in 18 to 24 months. And that'll dramatically improve your customer experience, your experience as an employee, and the company's performance. Wow, just 3 things. Just 3 things to do. Raw data, quality tools, 4%. Let's create a hassle-free America, hassle-free healthcare. Let's go out and improve something this week.